My name is Lynn Wilson, and I'm a pediatrician here in Columbia, South Carolina. And I see learning challenges in my patients being shown by frustrations with school, and then they get somewhat unable to focus, and then they sometimes will get labeled as having ADHD and want medications. Their teachers want them to be on that, and yet that's not necessarily the issue. The issue comes that they're not being able to understand what's being taught in the way that it's being taught, and so they stop learning and they stop going to school. They stop enjoying going to school, and just tend to be labeled very early in the classrooms as troublemakers, or they always want to disrupt the class, or they're not respectful to the teacher, and so therefore then mamas get calls, and then they get frustrated, and then it ends up being a big ball of everybody's frustrated because nobody's liking school right now, and we're not succeeding at school, and so therefore it's not a good thing for them to go. I think one of the saddest things I always see is these sweet little kindergartners and first graders who adore school, and then because of learning challenges, by the time they're in second or third grade, when I ask, how do you like school? And it's not a very good response. And so that's a sad thing to me, that they don't enjoy being in a classroom and learning. I think the thing I would try to encourage parents to do educational therapy is because it's going to help the child succeed. Not only succeed in the classroom, but also in life. Because if you learn how to think and you learn how to read, then you're going to be successful at whatever you do. And so trying to encourage them to find resources that will be able to help their children learn in the way that they can learn best, and teach them those life skills. It's going to be a lifelong skill that's going to help them to be able to succeed again, not only in their schooling ages, but also as they mature and grow older and hopefully become wonderful parts of a community that they're involved in.